Hey guys and gals, you've been waiting for this one, so here we go. Introducing the Svakom G-spot Vibrator. It's a #1 seller on Amazon right now, so let's go over its features and find out why. So let's start with a quick unboxing of the product. The Svakom product we are reviewing is the violet colored cocoa model with flexible head. The product came discreetly packaged. Opening up the box, it has the product itself, and at the bottom of the box, the USB charging cord is included along with the instructions manual. Also included in the box is a nice suede carrying storage pouch. Taking out cocoa from the box, you can see that it's made from a soft-to-the-touch, edible-grade silicone that is IPX7 waterproof. It has a flexible head designed at the perfect 30 degrees arch to stimulate the G-spot of the female anatomy for a quick and easy climax. So before we can demonstrate this adult toy, let's charge it with the USB cord included. As we plug it in, you will see that the power button is blinking. Once it's fully charged, the light stays on. Cocoa charges within 1 hour and can be used for up to 2 hours before charging again. Okay, so all charged up, time for the demonstration. You hold the power button down for a few seconds and this activates the first mode. Cocoa has 5 different types of vibrations and frequencies to adapt to the needs of different scenarios, from weak to strong, providing unparalleled extra stimulation. And don't worry about being heard by others, as the sound of cocoa does not exceed 38 decibels, so you can have your playtime nice and quietly. So as you can see here from the ripples of the water, cocoa has a variety of vibrating modes that are generated with its strong but quiet motor. If you're interested in purchasing cocoa, I will leave the link in the video description below. Also, give us a sub if you enjoy product reviews like this one. I do live stream giveaways just about every Tuesday, so make sure you turn on those notifications because I will be announcing a giveaway of this product very soon. That's all for now. Remember to take care of yourselves, and we'll see you again very, very soon.